My name is Marc Anderson. I work for Hydrovolve. We are an engineering house out of Aberdeen, Scotland, and we have a suite of downhole technologies. I'm out here in Offenburg helping to promote our revolutionary drilling technology, the GeoTHERM hyperdrive, which already has supercharged drilling performance. We demonstrated that in our pilot wells in Q2. And I'm just here spreading the good word about the performance gains that can be obtained as a result of using our technology. So what's unique about the hyperdrive is it is a technology that uses a combination of both percussion and drill string rotation. So what we do is we introduce a very high frequency pulsing motion to our drill bit in combination with drill string rotation. What the hyperdrive does is it keeps your drill bit constantly profiled on bottom, so the drill bit never leaves the bottom of the surface, so it's not a hammering motion, more of a high frequency vibrating motion. What this allows us to do is both increase rate of penetration and increase your run length. So much so that in our pilot wells we managed to double ROP, and we also managed to triple run length in just one deployment. So that's what is unique about it, is it increases your ROP and it increases your run length. So the majority of the pilot wells have been happening in the oil and gas sector. Geothermal is very much an emerging sector for us. That is why we are here today. We look to sort of broaden and get ourselves more geothermal projects. But generally we've been working in Eastern Europe so far, and we've had great successes in there. We're seeing a lot of interest in areas like New Zealand, for example, as we're one of the geothermal hotspots that we're planning on operating in this year. But the attraction for the tool is coming globally. We're seeing global markets for this tool, and it's extremely exciting to be involved in at this stage. That's a very good question. So the majority of Hydrovolve's technology is oil and gas based technology, but like everyone else, we need to diversify. We need to sort of see the future past oil and gas, not just because it's the right thing for us to do as a business in terms of profitability. It's also the right thing to do for net zero goals morally. We need to be able to support the green economy. What we have here is a technology that's fantastic at drilling oil and gas wells, but it's also fantastic for drilling geothermal wells. Oil and gas wells obviously come with their high carbon value. Geothermal wells do not. So why not repurpose or pivot the existing expertise and infrastructure and tools that we have available to us in the oil and gas sector, and redirect them to something a little bit greener, a little bit better for the planet. And that's exactly what we're doing at Hydrovolve, is just repurposing and reusing what we already have and what we've developed, and deploying it to the geothermal sector to make step changes in economic performance and drilling performance for geothermal wells.